Leo, your letter. Oh, okay. Oh, AP and B.
Oh my God, Leo.
What happened? What's wrong?
Stop $150. Oh my
deal?
God. My deal.
Why is it so
It's impossible.
expensive?
It's impossible. I don't believe that. Get out, please, right now.
Oh damn! Fuck! Give me your cell phone!
What's
now!
wrong?
I don't have any signal of your cell phone. Give me your cell phone to me. I need to call my mother.
Okay.
Please.
I will send you a video. Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Ella, I'm coming. Ella, what's wrong with you? Ella.
What?
Oh, you look not so good today.
Yes, because my ear hurts.
Why? What's wrong?
I called my mom yesterday about 2 hours.
2 hours? Call? Oh.
Yeah, because the radiation is so strong.
Radiation because this phone?
Yes, it's too bad.
Oh
They
no.
called my ear so hurt.
Yeah,
So I
oh,
need
that's
the
too
rest
bad.
now. Leave
Okay.
me alone, please.
Okay,
Leave me
okay.
alone.
Hope you get better soon. Hey guys, I mean, why you choose your network? Why don't you try my network TDS CDMA?
What's that?
TDS CDMA much cheaper, stronger signal and lower radiation.